Hello, Washington Eagles. It is Monday, May 11th. We are dividing today. We are dividing with remainders, meaning sometimes when you divide numbers, it doesn't always come out perfectly, and sometimes there's numbers left over. And so those are called the remainders, and I know this will completely jog your memory. So we have a handy dandy number grid, so we can use that. We have a calculator. You gotta do what you gotta do. Here we go. All right, so remember, whenever we are, this, remember, is called the dividend. This is called the divider, and the quotient is our answer. So, let's just get to it. Oh, I accidentally unplugged my laptop, and then maybe I gotta plug it back in. All right, so remember, whenever we are dividing, we cannot go over the number 31. So you got to think of a number as close. What times 4 gets as close to 30 without going over, okay? So I don't have a multiplication grid, or else I would encourage you to use a multiplication grid. But you can find those online. So this is when it's important that you know your multiplication facts, okay? So, can we draw out 31? We can quickly draw out 31. So, that is feasible. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay? So, this is not going to be pretty dividing this all up, but we'll do it. All right, so we're going to divide 31 into 4s. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And do we have enough for one more? We do not. We have 3 left over. Okay, so a remainder is going to be 3. But we'll get to that too in a minute. So we have, how many times can we divide 4 into 31? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times 4 is 28. You're too late. All right. So now we're going to subtract 31 minus 28. All right. So if you need to use a number grid, you may use a number grid. But remember, if we have 8, can we take 8 out of 1? We cannot. So we're going to borrow, and that becomes 11. So now we can say 11 minus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3. So 11 minus 8 is 3. And looky there. 1, 2, 3. Here's 3. So our remainder is 3. So our answer is 7 with a remainder of 3. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and show you how to check your work, just, because. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So we're going to say 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. And now with your remainder, we're going to add the remainder to your 28 plus 3. So 28 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 1. 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. It's 3. 31. 31. We are correct. Okay? So we're just going to be practicing our division with some remainders. Because like I said, in math, things do not always come out perfectly. Where is my eraser stuff? Gosh darn it, where did it? Oy, that green is hard to erase. All right, let's try another one. Let's do, we might as well do 29 divided by 4. 29 divided by 4. Now, so if you remember, 7 times 4 is 28. So let's not draw out our picture. So we already know that 7 times 4 is 28. we are subtracting those two numbers, 29 minus 28. 9 minus 1 is 1. Can 4 go into 1? It cannot, so that's going to be our remainder. Our remainder is 1. Okay, can we check our answer? We can. 7 times 4 is 28. Our remainder we're going to add. 28 plus 1 is 29. Are we correct? We are correct. Nice work. What if we did let's do 22 divided by 6. Okay, again, this is a good time to remind you that knowing your multiplication facts would be very beneficial right now. So you can go to, so you can think of, okay, 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. So we know that 6 times 3 is 18. If we did 6 more, are we going to go over 22? Probably so. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 6 times 4 is 24. 24 is too much. We can't use it. Okay? But we can use 6 times 3. Okay? So 3 times 6 is 18. And we're going to subtract those two numbers. You can use your number grid and subtract 18 if you like. But I'm just going to borrow. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. Can 6 go into 4? It cannot. So our remainder is going to be 4. How can we check? We're going to multiply and add 4. So you know that 3 times 18, 3 times 6 is 18. And now we're going to add 4, plus 4. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. 22 and 22. Are we correct? We're correct. We're going to do one more. Let's do 39 divided by 5. All right, let's count by 5s. We can't go over 39. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, we can't do 8. We can't do 5 times 8. That's 40. That's too much. So we're going to do 5 times 7. So 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, 5 times 7 is 35. We are going to subtract those two numbers. Oh, we don't have to borrow. 9 minus 5 is 4. Can 5 go into 4? It cannot. So our remainder is going to be 4. How can we check our answer? We're going to multiply 7 times 5 and add 4. So 7 times 5 is 35. Now we're going to add a remainder, plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 0 is 3. 39. 39, are we right? We are correct. All right. That's all for today. Practice those multiplication. Your 5 times 4, 3 times 3, 3 times 7. Practice your multiplication facts. Okay. Love you guys. Be safe.